Okay, so finally we are in the Day 4 challenge, which is AI in security. So what this challenge is about, let me tell you the story. So the fictional story over here is that it's Christmas and the best festival company TBFC, their server are running smoothly. So basically what they've been trying to do is they had an old chatbot. Its name is Chatty. It was for automatically repetitive tasks, but it was not performing well. Now the team wants something more advanced and smarter so that they can automate the repetitive task and focus on the actual thing that matters. So for that they introduces when solve ID. This is the name of the new chatbot, or I should say a new AI cybersecurity assistant. What it can do is it can help with defensive tasks and as well as offensive tasks, and also software tasks like automating repetitive work, solving problem quickly. The goal was to identify, confirm and resolve security issues before any attack happens, especially with the holiday rush coming. So what we will be doing in this lab is to find out how exactly AI is used as an assistant in cybersecurity for variety of roles and domains, and we will also practically use that. And so let's start the attack box and virtual machine. So I have started the target machine already, and attacker machine is getting started. So I'll just click on this, and then let's move to the task 2. So as you know, the artificial intelligence or AI, this is everywhere. Everybody says AI. Today in this challenge we will know how exactly AI is utilized in cybersecurity. We have used AI is to ask simple question and stuff like that, and now it's getting more advanced and advanced. It letting the mundane stuff to get automated and letting people to focus actually on the main stuff. As you have heard that GPT that we have all heard it, and almost AI is in almost every workflow. What we will discuss in this, the feature of AI are like processing large amount of data. In cybersecurity relevance, it analyze large amount of data from multiple sources. And the second is behavior analysis. It does track normal behavior and activities for a period of time. And then we have the Gen AI or generative AI. What it does is it's summarizing and providing context. So next we have the defensive security. So in defensive security, most of the AI agents are used in the blue teaming. The people who defend system, it helps them with detection, investigation, and also helps them with responding to threats. Next we have the offensive security. So in offensive security, the AI agent are changing the web and tester work by taking over boring repetitive task. So what it means is, instead of spending hours on reconnaissance and stuff like that, the AI is much smarter. It does all of these stuff faster and automatically. What this does is it let the pen tester to focus on the main parts. And then we have the software. We have also we do use AI in software development as well. There are tons of AI that can write code so much faster and better and even debug them. And the rise of vibe coding. AI is great at finding security flaws, but it's not yet perfect at writing better and secure codes. So next what we will do is to do the practical. We will go to this link in the browser, and after we go to this link we will see the when solve IT will guide us with some of the showcases of how AI can be used in security. So let's check that out. So as you can see, this is the when solve IT chatbot. Let me open it in the full screen. So this is the welcome message and stuff, so we will just click on this to get started. So what it's saying is that welcome to the Red Team Showcase. I can help you generate Python script for the vulnerabilities within the web app of today's advent of cyber web application. Shall we begin? Yes. Let me type it here. Now we will wait a little and then we'll further proceed. So we have got the reply from the chatbot. So this is saying about the the login.php file, that it has the SQL injection vulnerability. So what we do next is do the SQL injection. Let's copy the script as instructed here. Let's open the terminal and then we will use nanoscript.py and we will then paste the script. Let me remove this and then we will save it by pressing the Ctrl+X key and then Y. See, over here we have got that script. Next we will run the Python script that we have just saved. Okay, sorry, script. We made a mistake, so let's edit the script.py file. We need to put the machine IP over here. This is the IP of the virtual machine. Now let's try to run it. As you can see, it ran successfully now and we have logged in successfully using the SQL injection code. So what we will do next is, let's see. Now we have done the red team stage 2-1. Let's move to this one because we have generated a Python script and we have identified the vulnerability, which is the SQL injection. Now we will go to the blue team. Let's open the same CMD we opened. So I have copied the logs that we got and then we will give it to this blue team assistant. We will wait for the response that what we get. As you can see, the chatbot is analyzing the logs that we have given. And it analyzed the log and saying over here to move to the software phase. Let's give it the the analysis of our log. So let me copy it and then give it to this guy. Now we will just wait to get the response. As you can see, the AI chatbot is responding to the log. Let's wait it till it completes the full response. So now we can click on this and we have got the final flag. Let's paste it over here, and what this says is execute the exploit provided by the red team agent against the vulnerable web application hosted at this specific IP. What flag is provided in the script output after it. So I think we got this. We forget about that, so let's recheck it. It will be in terminal. So let's rerun that python 3 script.py and the flag is here. Let's copy this and paste it here, and we have done this challenge as well. So let me click on this as well. Finally we done this challenge as well. I'll see you in the next challenge.